Funkar Week, we mostly not do studies and we play and we do different activities like painting, playing kabaddi. Funkar Week एक टाइप का फन वीक होता है जिसमें हम बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं. नो पढ़ाई.
According to me, Funkar Week, you can say a period of time when you just have to create something. There's an artist inside you, so you just have to take it out.
This is something like a historian study. Historians don't really necessarily read from books or read from articles. They read from other ways of life, and that's exactly what we're doing right now.
Such a brilliant way of teaching small little things, and that also like life skills to children. My son made a well out of bricks. What an excellent way to teach them that how it is done.
My child has, been given exposure to various sorts of Indian culture, traditions. For example, a dance form like the Odissi and the Kathakali. I don't think my son ever knew about these dance forms.
I wish I had a school like this. I really, really wish I could go back to learning.
It was very hectic and very busy, but in the end it all seems very productive and fruitful at the same time. When we see children performing, producing, and we all know how they started with research and built up to it, it all makes sense and it seems very satisfying.
It's also about a cultural immersion. It's also about integrating a curriculum with everything around us, connecting as such.
Teachers also have a child within that needs to be, brought out at times. I think this week somehow gives us that window.
Funkar Week, we thought, let us give an intense experience which is spanned over 4-5 days so that resources could be brought together and every domain could be touched and children could get a holistic experience which stays. It takes a while to understand this is mathematics, this is science. I'm sure if you ask our children when they're nearing their exams, what is the definition of symmetry, they'll try and scratch their head and say, come, I'll show you my well, where everything is so symmetrical because I know how to do it. And that's amazing.
The overarching theme has been evolution, change and continuity. We are finding the artist within each one of us through fun activities, through immersion in art, culture and cross-disciplinary learning. The children have learnt a lot, they've written a lot through the reflections, how they've got all the subjects together and what has caused them to feel great happiness during Funkar.
Funkar puts together virtually everything a child learns in school inside the classroom by an experiential process where they are able to create things on their own, put things together and sort of it all merges together in this fun-filled week.
Confluence of activities and people from all different backgrounds and the appreciation of the arts that we've got from all corners of India is just simply mind-blowing. I think to get this kind of experience in one place under one roof is just truly incredible.